Children, are you ready for the #1 pancake place in the world?
Yes.
Are you sure?
But I thought in the car you said
What kind of pancakes? Waffles?
no. Maybe.
Pancakes.
M&M?
Chocolate chip?
Blueberry? I don't know what they serve because this is our first time here. Since it's our first time in Las Vegas. And plain. I don't know what else.
Alright, we'll see. How are the pancakes?
Good.
Chocolate chip pancakes.
2,000 feet.
What do you think of Blueberry Hill?
Especially when most of it
You're
is
number
flat.
They're #1.
They shouldn't serve waffles.
Well, my carrot pancakes are #1.
They shouldn't serve waffles.
Why? My waffle was delicious.
They should just serve
It was
pancakes. I choose pancakes over waffles. No waffles, just pancakes. Pancakes.
My
No
waffle was
waffles.
delicious.
I don't know what
Yeah,
you're
I should have let you taste it. It was really good.
Yes, I think so, yeah.
Deliciousness. Ready for Hoover Dam?
Which was nice.
Does this fish look like I'm ready?
I forget.
Ready for anything.
I was like $1.85 when I was out here. So you forgot how to shape your
Ready?
No.
See how easy?
I feel like there's no point of doing this.
Is it hot?
There's no point of doing this.
See the bridge? Daddy's gonna lift you up so you can see.
So if you upchuck over the bridge, is that counted as dropping objects from the bridge?
Nobody's gonna upchuck.
How long is it?
No. You feel the wind?
No, because there is no wind.
A little bit. Kind of amazing.
And then over there, if
Hoover Dam.
you head back that way,
See all the water back there? That wall is holding it in. You see that? We're gonna see inside of there.
We are?
Yeah, that's where we're headed next.
Can we do no more hiking?
So we're gonna see inside how that all works with the water and see where it comes out at the bottom. You see it?
Hey, would I go splat if I tried to jump in that
That's where we're going next.
Eventually.
definitely go splat. You're trying to go.
It would take a while to get there, but
This would be a giant
save the hurt.
bungee jumping.
A human pinball.
What if you cannonball? Would I die if I jumped down the river?
First of all, you try it.
Reese loves the heat.
yeah, she does.
She's changed her mind about moving here.
Yeah, she no longer.
I absolutely hate the heat. I love the heat. I sort of do. I'm used to cold weather. I love the heat.
You get to go swimming a lot.
What do you like about the heat?
What?
What do you like about the heat?
You get to swim a lot.
Love the heat.
So do you like the heat or do you like swimming?
Swimming.
All right.
No,
No, we aren't. We are not.
going back, right?
You guys want some water?
Don't step outside the cooling station.
Reese, you like the cooling station?
Yeah, like right here. Anybody, can you bring us some water for there to be some mist?
Cooling station.
Oh, we get to go on the spinning thing.
All right, air conditioning. Woohoo!
Seriously?
Yeah. Okay, are you better now? Are you okay?
I am.
You're not gonna die?
I'm not.
I wasn't even gonna die.
Hey, don't.
No, it is. Like this. Not like this.
Yeah, we thought Reese was gonna die.
Hey, look, one hand catch. Thank you for actually saying that. Hey, look, everyone else is like, I'm gonna stare. I'm gonna
You're
stare
good
and
now,
I'm gonna
right?
catch it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything on this? No, you're not having to call me us. Turn on the printer. And the light. And that.
falls over 500 feet.
It's going and turning it
Then the
down.
giant turbine wheel.
So you're generating electricity with your arm.
All the green stuff? Ryan, press all
This
the
is
stuff.
street reclamation plan.
Just press it.
Vacuuming and everything.
Cool.
I'm generating power.
The air conditioner.
Because it's really, really hot.
So do you see how much you're using? Look at your power demand down at the bottom. See that?
Whoa. Let's turn off some things. Like, we need the thing. We really don't need the music. We don't need this. What's this? And our telephone.
So just turning off those few things, you just decreased it by half.
And that's done with our phone.
Oh, wait, you always want to see. Oh, wait.
And then a little parking lot. Where's your parking lot? Oh, I did. Here's a big one. And then look, you can see the Hoover Dam.
Yeah, you can see the whole thing.
This is the better way to look at it.
Look at
So look how tiny it gets from here.
cute.
Those little blimps are these stations.
Neat.
It's on the damn pump down there.
Oh, do you see it?
See the water flowing down there? There's underwater stuff down there that pushes some water down.
Apparently, if we got landed in the water there, we wouldn't die.
You can't.
You would be dead
Could you imagine jumping from this high?
falling from 700.
Oh man.
Yeah, but that's
That would be crazy.
659 something deep.
Yeah, that would be
That's
crazy.
You'd be dead.
That would be crazy.
It's the same.
Crazy!
I think it's just breaks away.
It's the same as falling from 300 feet.
Sweep of the eye takes in the upper and lower Colorado River basins, which include portions of Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, Nevada, Arizona, and California. 1/12 of the continental United States is drained by this great river system. The Colorado, for centuries, was one of the world's wildest rivers. Regulation of Lake Mead is based on anticipated runoff from the mountain regions and on water requirements downstream.
What? Ta-da! Hoover Dam. Saw it. Conquered it. Boom.
I like the part where we saw it.
Hoover Dam?
Yeah, except when I felt like I was going to throw up.
You mean from the bridge?
Yeah, I liked that part. Then everything started going downhill because of the heat.
Because you got so hot.
Yeah.
And then inside,
And then inside,
you were
wasn't
fine.
stuff to do, but it was a lot colder.
What was your favorite part?
Seeing the Hoover Dam. Mine too.
More than the interactive games inside?
Yeah.
Or any presentation?
No.
Okay. Excellent. Who's hungry?
Me.
Me too.